Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I want to welcome you back to the channel, and I'm here today with my design team project for Decorate Your Life. I will be using her wedding day set or printable kit that has 10 pages to it. And my project today, y'all, I thought long and hard about this one since she come out with the project. So what I'm going to do, I have my card. All measurements will be down below in the description box for everything. So I'm going to measure this with you guys. Okay, so this card will be, if I can open my pen here. Let's see. I'm going to write it on this piece of paper here. Base card. It's 5.5 by 8.5. Okay. And then my mat for this will be 6 7/8 by 4 7/8. Okay, I think that's the only mat that I have for this one on the outside. Okay. Inside mat is 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. And the one that's going to go on top of this one, like so, here is, let me see if I get this right, 5 3/8 by 3 3/8. Okay, and I will. This is a 3 by 3, so you know. So let's get this card started, and we can get it did it. So I want this one on top like so. As you can see, I've already inked everything. And then I thought I had one to go in the back. I think this is the back mat here. No, this goes inside. I'm missing a mat, but that's okay. Okay. And then I'm going to have my bride here. Oh, I know what it is. That's what I'm missing. There we go. The groom's going to be here. And then this flower piece will be up there. So, let's get that in there. And glue it all down. Okay. Everything will be listed in the description box and also on my blog, y'all. I'll put this like down here. Okay. Now, let me check something here. I have to take pictures so I remember what my layout looks like. Because there are times when fibro fog hits hard and I can't remember anything. Okay. So this goes, he goes here. I gotta leave room for her dress because of the way it is. Okay. Now I'm going to put her right here. Okay. And then I'm going to take this beautiful piece and put it right on top here. So I'm going to turn this to the side for a bit. I'm going to put this right up here. It's going to go over his head a little bit, but that's alright. Nobody told him to be so tall. Okay. Now we're going to do the inside, which I'm going to take this piece like so, and then this piece down here, but I have to trim it a bit, and then put my other piece in the middle. I think that's how it goes. Let me get my picture. Yes, that is exactly how it goes. Okie dokie. So this one we're going to trim a bit off. Like there. This I think I can, no, I'm not going to chance it. And then I'm going to get my little inking mat out here. And ink that piece that was just trimmed off. Okay. So now we're going to put this piece on and then the other one. Bring it there. I didn't make it as big as the card, but that's alright. I'm going to take this one. Whoops, I almost put it upside down, y'all. Put this one down here. Like so. Roll it in. Spread that glue. And then we're going to get our save the date piece. And we're going to glue her down. Okay. Right in the center here. Okay, we got her. She's popped up a little bit here. She's done. So that's card number 1. Now we're going to do our thank you card, which is, this is 3 by 3, and this is probably 2 by 2. I cut it just a 1/4 inch smaller. Roll that so that stays down. I want to put our glue here. Like so. There. I want to roll it out. And I'm going to put our little thank you. Sorry about that. Right in the center. Right there. I didn't put no backing because my backing's already there. So that's my 2 projects for this kit here. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the rest of the design team down below in the description box. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.